Hi, Bill and Elisa Winslow here with the Winslow Group at Coldwell Banker Schmidt Realtors in Northern Michigan. Today we're going to be talking about the first quarter of 2023. So this is a quarterly market report. Some sort of strange things it seems like, or at least the way it feels. So I'm interested to hear what you came up with the actual numbers. And you'll definitely want to watch our monthly market reports as well as our quarterly market reports, because there's definitely some, I don't know if I'd say volatility, but some shifts here and there, and they seem to be happening really quickly on a month-to-month basis. So Elisa is sort of our statistician, our economist on the team. So Elisa, what did the numbers show for the first quarter for Charlevoix and Emmett County?
Yeah, I'm going to go lightning round through the numbers and save the commentary and we'll discuss it. So here's what we have for Emmett and Charlevoix County. Homes sold, so unit homes sold, 21% down in Emmett County, 28% down in Charlevoix, with 101 and 61 homes sold respectively. Pricing, I bet we're wondering what's going on with pricing. So the average home price for the first quarter in Emmett County was $397,000, was $330,000 in Charlevoix. That's up in both markets, 12% for Emmett, 19% for Charlevoix. Homes listed, what's going on with inventory? We had 128 listings in the first quarter for Emmett County, which is down 8% from last year, and 85 homes listed in Charlevoix County, which is down 6%. Days on the market is an important statistic. It tells us how long from the time a home lists till the time it closes, and it gives an idea to sellers and buyers how quickly they need to act or can expect an offer. 50 days on the market in Emmett County was down 9%. In Charlevoix, a little different story. 45 days on the market in Charlevoix, which is down 8%, Emmett County was actually up 9%, which means that number is weakening a little bit. So I always kind of flip-flop those. Up 9%, 50 days on the market in Emmett. Down 8%, which is a little bit healthier, 45 days in Charlevoix. And then percent of list price. So this is the sale price. How does it compare to the asking price that the seller had published? 97% in both markets, which is actually down 3% for Emmett and Charlevoix. So Bill, what do you think of all this?
Yeah, so some interesting numbers here. I guess the ones that sort of jump out to me, so the days on the market are still, it's a very, very short time. So if you are a seller in this market, you know that you're going to get your home sold relatively quickly compared to our historic, say, 10, 15-year average, which was more like 180 days. I mean, it was really 6 months, if not even longer, by the time you take properties that didn't sell and then got relisted again. But historically, it was more like 6 months. So we're really looking at, you're going to be getting an offer within the first 2 weeks of listing your property, if not sooner.
If you've priced it and marketed
correct
properly. Yeah.
Number of units, number of homes sold down, that really doesn't surprise me. It seems like we're talking some big numbers here, 28%, 23, 25%. But I think that goes to, again, and the listings taken is down. I think we're going to see that number sort of continue just because there's not enough inventory out there. So percent of list price, 3% off, I don't really think that's a big deal. I think there's certain price ranges. If we really got into the nitty gritty, we're going to see certain price ranges. We're going to see that number probably maybe even above asking price. So say that $250,000 to $400,000 price range, we're going to see those at or above asking price. It's going to change a little bit as you get in the higher price ranges.
And I would say that's something that a good realtor would do for you when you're thinking about making an offer on a home. They get an idea based on the price range that you're in, what the competitive environment is relative to, are we seeing a lot of offers at asking price or above in your price range? I know for us, we've sold a few homes in this first quarter in that under 350 range that have gone in multiple offers within several days and way over asking price. Whereas as you get into that 500 plus market, a bit more interest rate sensitive, a bit more economic sensitive, we've seen that change a little bit in terms of at or over asking price.
Yeah. So my two big takeaways here is, one, if you are a seller, now is still a great time to go to market. You know you're going to sell your property relatively quickly. You're going to sell it very close or even above asking price. If you are a buyer, it is still a challenging market, but there are opportunities out there. You definitely need to be working with an agent that's a skilled negotiator, and that we use a buyer power checklist that we've talked about before that's got 12 or 14 different techniques that we use to help you win in a competitive situation.
Yeah, we have a blog post for that. We'll post the link to that in the comments below.
So hit that subscribe button, like our video, follow us, DM us if you got any questions, and have a great day.
Thanks.